Bugs, dirt, germs, grease and grime on your steering wheel. How do you get rid of them? LRC32 interior cleaner and a soft horsehair brush. Simply spray on this solution and agitate with the soft horsehair brush. As you're doing this, it's breaking down all the dirt, grime and grease and the bugs, and then you can simply wipe that away with a soft terry towel. You may wonder what this has got to do with your steering wheel. Well, as you're driving your vehicle, you're touching your wheel, all those germs and bugs and things are transferring to you. So you pull up at somewhere like a McDonald's or a motorway service station and get a sandwich or a burger. As you're eating, all those bugs and germs are transferring to you internally, making you very poorly. Or even while you're driving, you're actually touching your face. So all those things are transferring to you internally, making you very poorly from the bugs, the germs and the dirt and the grime that's on that wheel. Keep your wheel cleaned at a regular interval, always using the LRC32 interior cleaner. Thank you.